Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Optimum Internet, which is a provider offering high-speed internet, TV and phone services. So if you are thinking about switching to Optimum, stick around to find out if it is the right choice for you. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So as I said earlier, Optimum is a popular fiber and cable internet provider serving areas in the northeast and parts of the south. They actually offer a range of plans with speeds up to 8 Gbps, making them a strong competitor to other major ISPs. Over here, you can just take a look at their plans. So if we talk about the pros, you will get fast speed here. It offers fiber optic internet with speed up to 8 Gbps, that is ideal for streaming, gaming and remote work. There is no data cap unlike some other providers. Optimum doesn't actually limit your data usage, so you won't have to worry about the coverage fees. It is very affordable. The plans starts at a competitive rate. Bundling with TV or phone that can save you even more, and it is also widely available. It serves both in the urban and suburban areas with a mix of fiber and the cable connections. So here, if I talk about the cons that I would like to mention, that the promotional pricing is great, but the costs can rise significantly after the introductory period. There are some users that have reported inconsistent customer support and delay in resolving the service problems as well. While fiber is expanding, there are many areas that still get cable based connections, which may not be as fast. So if you are in an Optimum service area, it can be a solid choice for fast unlimited internet at a reasonable price. Just be aware of the potential price hikes after the promo period. So to check out the current plans and availability of it in your area, you can just check out the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.